Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're creating this soft everyday makeup look, and if you want to see how I got it, keep on watching. So for primer, I went in with the Master Prime by Face Studio Primer by Maybelline. For foundation today, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me in Dewy and Smooth in the color 125 Nude Beige. I like to put this on the back of my hand and let it warm up so it melts right into the skin when I start putting it on. Since we went in with a lighter coverage foundation, today I'm going to be using Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral. This is going to help conceal all the spots the foundation didn't cover, like the redness on my cheeks. I'm also going to highlight with it today on the forehead, the nose, and the chin. I'm going to use what's left on my beauty sponge to cover up the veins in my eyelids, so we have a nice base to start our eyeshadow today. Since we're going for an easier look today, we're not going to be baking underneath the eyes and all the highlighted areas. Instead, we're going to go in with the Morphe DD palette, and we're going to be using this yellow shade right here in the middle to help brighten underneath the eyes, and then we're going to set the rest of the face with the first shade in the palette. I'm taking that banana powder on a Real Technique brush and just setting that right underneath my eyes. Next, I'm taking a fluffy Morphe brush, and I'm going to be taking the first shade in the palette right here and setting the rest of my face. I don't really want to smear this around such in circles. I want to pat it into the skin. Therefore, it's not moving the foundation, it's just setting it like we want. Now I'm going in with the Hard Candy So Baked bronzer in 132 Heat Wave. I'm going to take that on another Morphe brush. I'm going back in with the same face brush we used, and I'm going to diffuse the bronzer a little bit. It seems a little dark. Next, on an angled blush brush, I'm going to be using the Morphe 9in blush palette, and I'm going to take the top middle shade. Whew. For highlight today, I'm using the Tarte Day Gleam. I'm going to take that on a Morphe fan brush, the G23. Now for setting spray, I'm using the Master Fix by Face Studio Maybelline. I'm going to spritz that and then set it down with my Real Technique beauty sponge. Now I zoomed you in for the eyebrows, and I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Brow Wiz in medium brown. First, I'm going to take the spoolie end of that and comb my eyebrows up. Once I'm done filling them in, I'm going to take the spoolie end of the Brow Wiz once again and start blending that out. Now to carve these brows out, I'm going back in with the Tarte Shape Tape on a small Morphe brush, and I'm going to clean them up. Once I'm done filling in the brows and then carving them out, I like to go in with what most people use would be a brow gel, but I have a clear mascara that works just as well. So we're gonna go back in with that today. Since we basically already put a primer down once we put our concealer on over our eyelids, I'm going in with the Lorac Pro eyeshadow palette today. And I'm going to be using the shade Canvas to set that down. Next I'm using more of a dome Morphe brush, and I'm going to be taking the shade Pink Nude in the Lorac Pro palette. I'm placing this shade right in my crease and outer corner. We're going to keep this look pretty simple. Next we're going in with Cool Taupe with an Estee Lauder packing brush, and I'm going to pack that on the outside corners. I'm going to go back in with the same dome brush I used in the crease and blend that out. I'm going to go back in with the same Cool Taupe shade on that Estee Lauder brush and smoke out the bottom lash line. Next I'm going in with a flat packer brush, and I'm going to be using the shade Rose Bronze all over my lid. We're keeping this look pretty simple, soft, and smoky today. Now I'm going in with a very small shader brush, and I'm going to be using the first shade in the palette, LT Gold, for an inner corner highlight. Like I said, we're keeping it pretty simple today, so that's all for the eyeshadow, and now I'm going in with the Rocket Volume Express by Maybelline mascara. Gonna put a few coats of that on, and I'll be right back. Next I'm finishing off this look with the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in Patina. Alright guys, that's it for this look. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Take 2, hopefully less cheesy. No, nope. That should do it, it's fine.